Today I'll be repotting my plants. My poor succulent, which has been screaming to be repotted. It's drying out because I don't water it, but it's still making me so many little babies, and it's quite full in that pot. And I'll be replanting my pilea and also a big cactus, which I already used a couple of pads for cooking. Yeah, I know. And also my golden fish I'll be repotting. And all that will be fast forward so the video does not come out too long. Excuse the mess. I'm also gardening and picking up stuff that is already ready. You know, it's a busy month. Soon we're gonna get cold, so yeah, we're in that time of the month. We're in September already close to mid-September. God gracious, the time flies so fast. Anyways, let's begin. Alright, so I finally repot all my plants except this one I forgot to film. I did not realize the camera was not on. Oh well, what can I do? But here it is. It is all done, my orange fish hooks. And here is the rest of the plants. Cactus, my pilea, and the oregano. I replant them all. I think it's a total of 10 of them. And also this one. This one was the heaviest one and kind of a lot of work. It was kind of heavy. Yeah, it was a huge cactus, and I used anything that was in my way, a paper to grab it, and also some mitts which I used for the oven, which they were old, so yeah, that helped a lot to hold it. That way I don't get no little things, thorns on my fingers. Anyways, my friends, that was my repotting of today. I just hope you enjoyed this video and did not get bored. So my friends, if you're new, subscribe. Don't forget to click that bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Share my videos, and hope to see you again on the next video. Thank you all for watching. Bye.